Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we're diving deep into the news and chart data for Intel Corporation, or Intel, to see what's going on with the stock and where it might be heading. Recent news surrounding Intel has been mixed. On one hand, the company has qualified for $3.5 billion in grants to make chips for the U.S. military, which is a positive sign for the future of the company. This could help to bolster Intel's position in the defense sector and contribute to its overall growth. However, the company has also been facing some challenges. Its debt-to-equity ratio is a concern, with liabilities exceeding cash and short-term receivables. This suggests that Intel is taking on a moderate amount of risk with its use of debt. While Intel's EBIT has improved, it burned a lot of cash last year, making its use of debt even riskier. These factors are certainly something to keep in mind when evaluating Intel's future prospects. Now, let's switch gears and take a look at the chart data to see how it's reflecting these events. First, let's examine the daily chart. Overall, Intel has been in a downtrend over the past few months. We can see a significant drop in price from around $50 per share in December 2023 to around $20 per share in September 2024. This decline is likely due to a combination of factors, including the global economic slowdown, concerns about the semiconductor industry, and Intel's own financial challenges. However, we've noticed a slight bullish divergence in the daily chart recently. This divergence is based on the recent price action, which has shown a series of lower highs and lower lows. Despite the lower highs and lows, the volume hasn't decreased proportionally, which could indicate that a change in trend may be on the horizon. However, it's important to note that this divergence is only a possibility and not a confirmation. We need to wait for more confirmatory signals on the chart to determine whether this bullish divergence will actually lead to a change in trend. Let's look at the 1-hour chart to gain a more detailed perspective on the recent price action. On the 1-hour chart, we can see a clearer picture of the recent price action. We've noticed a series of higher highs and higher lows. This positive price action is a bullish signal. It suggests that buyers are stepping in at higher prices, pushing the price of Intel up. We can also see a break above a key resistance level. This is a very strong bullish signal. The resistance level had previously been holding the price down. However, the break above this level indicates that the bulls are now in control. There's also been a surge in trading volume during this break. This further strengthens the bullish signal. The increased volume suggests that there's strong buying interest in Intel. We'll need to keep a close eye on the 15-minute chart to observe how the price action is developing on a more granular level. Let's zoom in and analyze the 15-minute chart. The most recent price action on the 15-minute chart is showing a short-term upward trend. The price is making higher highs and higher lows. This is a positive sign. However, we're observing a relatively high volume, which could indicate that the rally is becoming overextended. This could mean that a short-term correction may be imminent. We need to wait and see if the price action confirms this possibility. If the price starts to pull back and break below the recent support levels, this would reinforce the possibility of a short-term correction. On the other hand, if the price continues to move higher and breaks above the recent resistance levels, this would suggest that the rally is continuing. Let's take a closer look at the 1-hour chart and see if we can identify any significant support and resistance levels. There's a strong support level at around $19. This level has been tested several times in the past. The price has bounced off this level multiple times, indicating that it's a strong area of support. There's also a resistance level at around $21. This level has also been tested several times. The price has struggled to break above this level. This indicates that it's a strong area of resistance. It's essential to be aware of these levels when deciding whether to buy or sell Intel. If the price drops below $19, it would signal a weakening of the bullish trend. On the other hand, if the price breaks above $21, it would signal a strengthening of the bullish trend. We need to be mindful of the current global economic situation. The Federal Reserve is making decisions that have a significant impact on the financial markets, and these decisions could influence the price of Intel. There are other key price levels to watch out for. There's a short-term support level at around $19.50. This level has held the price up in the past. If the price drops below this level, it would signal a weakening of the short-term bullish trend. There's a short-term resistance level at around $20. The price has struggled to break above this level. If the price breaks above this level, it would signal a strengthening of the short-term bullish trend. We need to keep a close eye on the 15-minute chart for any signs of reversals. If the price starts to make lower highs and lower lows, it could signal a short-term bearish reversal. On the other hand, if the price starts to make higher highs and higher lows, it could signal a short-term bullish reversal. Let's recap the important price levels that we've discussed. The most important support level is around $19, and the most important resistance level is around $21. A break below $19 would signal a weakening of the bullish trend, while a break above $21 would signal a strengthening of the bullish trend. The short-term support level is around $19.50, and the short-term resistance level is around $20. A break below $19.50 would signal a weakening of the short-term bullish trend, while a break above $20 would signal a strengthening of the short-term bullish trend. It's important to be aware of these levels and use them as guidelines when making trading decisions.